Hello, I'm Grant, and I wanted to talk to you about the nature of the back complaint that you're probably suffering from. When we have a great deal of pain in our backs, we're inclined to think that the problem is due to pinched nerves and tight muscles and things of that nature. And that is at least partially true. But the very nature of the problem that most of us suffer from is that our backs are trying to prevent us from hurting ourselves further. That is, that the muscular spasm, the pain that we get from an occluded nerve, all has to do with the fact that our back is trying to prevent us from hurting ourselves further. That is, that if we truly occlude a nerve or damage it severely, then the animal that we are can no longer walk. And the animal that we are will not allow us to damage ourselves that badly, because an animal that cannot walk cannot feed itself and will die. So what I'm trying to say is that our backs, in trying to help us to prevent that from happening, are quite happy to cause us an infinite amount of pain. We call this pain exquisite. That is, that it is just on the very borders of what we can bear without becoming unconscious. And if we can understand that this is a protective mechanism, then we are better able to deal with it and to get it to release and to allow us to do those things that we want to do with less pain. And so that's the fundamental nature of what we are looking at. Now, there are exceptions to this. People can be very badly hurt in automobile accidents or other forms of trauma, and there are certain disease processes that can happen that will make this sort of pain have a different cause. But for most of us, most of the time, what we're actually looking at is just that. Okay, thank you.